Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and making profits with crypto. Guys, Hamster Kombat is going to launch on 26th of September and now there are many withdrawal options are available for the users in the Hamster app. However, with the addition of Binance, everything has changed and a major number of users now want to withdraw their Hamster tokens directly to Binance. But many users are facing difficulties connecting their Binance account to the Hamster Kombat app. So in this video, I'm going to give you a complete tutorial on how you can connect your Binance account to the Hamster Kombat app. Just watch this video till the end to understand everything in detail, and if you find this video informative then please like it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all the upcoming updates and videos. Well, without any further delay, let's get started. Now we are here in our Hamster Kombat account. Here you need to click on the airdrop button. You can see that there are several options available. From here, click on Binance and then you will see an option where you need to click on yes I have if you already have a Binance account, or click on no let's create if you don't. Next you will get two options where you need to add a deposit address and a memo. So let's go to our Binance account. Well, we are here in our Binance account. Here click on the wallet button, then click on the deposit button, and now you will see some options. Just simply ignore them and click on deposit crypto. Now search for HMSTR, which is the code for Hamster Kombat token. You will see Hamster Kombat token in the search results. Simply click on the Hamster Kombat icon. Then you need to select the network, which is obviously the Tone network. That's the only one available here. Next you will see a message that says both address and memo required. Simply click OK, and then on this screen you will see both the address and the memo. Copy this address and go back to your Hamster account. Then paste this address in the address section. Once you have pasted the Binance address into your Hamster Kombat account, go back to your Binance account and copy the Hamster Kombat memo. After copying the memo, return to your Hamster Kombat account and paste the memo here. After completing both the steps, click on save and choose, and you will see this message. Now you have to click on thanks button and you will see a message that clearly mentions request sent to Binance. Now you just need to wait for the listing date and you will receive your Hamster tokens in your Binance account. Well guys, I hope you found this video informative, so don't forget to like it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all the upcoming updates and videos. Thanks for watching.